Hello folks, in this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up OTP over SMS for two-factor authentication in the Jenkins 2FA plugin, starting with the admin configuration. Please ensure first the 2FA is enabled. The admin needs to click on the OTP over SMS to enable the method. Here admin needs to enter default country code and set up SMS Gateway to send OTP messages. We offer two options: miniOrange Gateway and Twilio. In this video we'll proceed with the miniOrange Gateway. To set up this method smoothly, please refer to the guide. You will then be redirected to guide of OTP over SMS as shown. Click on Configure miniOrange SMS Gateway to start configuring your SMS settings. You will be redirected to a setup guide page. Follow the steps to sign up and create a miniOrange account. After creating the account, please click the link highlighted in step 3. You will then be redirected to the OTP SMS configuration template. You can customize the SMS text in the highlighted box. Once done, please click on the settings icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the Settings tab where you can see the customer key and customer API key. After entering the miniOrange Gateway credentials, admin needs to save the configurations. After that, navigate to the User Management tab. The admin can enable two-factor authentication for individual users. Alternatively, the admin can enable two-factor authentication for multiple users or all users at once by selecting them. After selecting the desired users, the administrator needs to click on the Apply Action button to enable 2FA in bulk. OTP over SMS is now configured. Let's view the inline registration process. When the user logs in for the first time after the 2FA method has been configured, they will need to enter their username and password, which serves as the first factor of authentication. After that, when the user clicks on Sign In, they will be prompted with Configure Two-Factor page. They will then be prompted to enter their mobile number, which will be used to receive the OTP for 2FA. After entering their number, they need to request for an OTP. They then need to enter the OTP received via SMS to verify their mobile number. They will then have to enter the OTP received on their mobile number and click on Validate. And they will be securely logged into their instance. Let's now see how the user flow looks once the inline registration is completed after their first login. When the user logs in for the first time after the 2FA method has been configured, they will need to enter their username and password, which serves as the first factor of authentication. After that, when the user clicks on Sign In, they are then prompted to enter the OTP received on the mobile number configured during inline registration. And all they had to do is enter the OTP and click on Validate. After clicking Validate, they can securely log in to their instance without any issues. And that's how the entire OTP over SMS 2FA flow works in the Jenkins 2FA plugin.